Hello, this is Dr. Shideh, Doctor of Pharmacy, specialist in pharmacology. In these videos, I want to talk about pharmacology for you. In this channel, I will make different types of videos. Videos about medications and the effect of medications on our body for people interested in pharmacy and pharmaceuticals. And videos for pharmacy students to learn specialty pharmacy courses. If you like these kind of videos, please support me with your likes and comments. If you want to be informed for further videos, please click subscribe and the bell. Are you ready? Welcome to Introduction to Pharmacology. Pharmacology was firmly established in the later 19th century by the German Oswald Schmiedeberg. The first chair in pharmacology in USA was established in 1890 at the University of Michigan by John Jacob Abel, who had trained under Schmiedeberg. Do you know what pharmacology is? The word pharmacology is a combination of two words. The word pharmakon means drug, and the word logi means study of. So, the word pharmacology means study of drug. Now, what is the definition of pharmacology scientifically? Pharmacology is a discipline of study. What does it mean? An academic discipline or a field of study is a researched and studied branch of knowledge. Also, pharmacology is a scientific basis of drug action, which means how drug acts on our body or on our cells. And finally, pharmacology deals with the effects of drugs in humans. Let's look at pharmacology with more details. In pharmacology, we study and learn the actions of drug, which studies how drug act on our body and how body responds to the drug. We also study the mechanism of drug. The mechanism of drug is the process that drug undergoes biochemical changes. And in the mechanism of drug, we observe the effect of drug on body. In addition, we learn the uses. The drug is used to prevent, to treat, and to diagnose the disease. We finally study the side effects, which are undesired and harmful effects. Now, let's see what drug is. Drug is either a natural substance or a synthetic substance that alters the physiological states in human body. Do you have any idea that who developed the first drug? Friedrich Sertuner, that was a German pharmacist in 1804, has developed opium as herbal plant and extracted morphine out of opium. Well, I hope this video was useful for you. Thanks for watching my video. See you!